Hello, I am Conrado Garrido. I am the ESR1 of the project CoMetaS, and I have been in OXMET between the 15th of June until the 23rd of November. To begin, these are the contests that I'm going to show during the presentation. First of all, we are going to talk about the main objectives of the research state. The first objective is the optimization of the additive manufacturing process. To do that, we are going to study the powder alloy, and also we are going to select the best laser parameters to print metamaterials. The second objective is the manufacturing of the metamaterial unit cells. To do that, we are going to design and create printing files and create the metamaterial samples. The third objective is to analyze the defects created in the printed metamaterial cells, and the final objective is to study the mechanical behavior of the metamaterial samples. For the optimization of the additive manufacturing process, we have done some laser scan with different set of laser parameters. With a visual inspection and measuring the width of these scans, we preselect the ones that we thought that were better. In the second step, we print some struts with the preselected laser parameters, and we cut it in order to see the cross-section of these struts, and we analyze the porosity. In this case, laser parameters 5 are the best one because it produces less porosity in titanium 64. With these laser parameters, we have print struts with 3 different orientations to see the influence of the orientation in the base material. Let's move to the manufacturing of the metamaterial unit cell. We have designed 3 different metamaterials composed by an octet unit cell. 2 different sizes of diameter and unit cell were chosen and combined in the 3 structure. The first step was to do a CAD design of the metamaterials. Then we need to produce the manufacturing files. And we assign the laser parameters that we have chosen in the previous step. And finally, the last step was manufacture the metamaterials structures. Then a defect analysis of metamaterial structure was performed. First, we did a high-resolution characterization of the types of defects through SEM, and we saw that we mainly had 3 types of defects: broken struts, section-reduced struts, and waveness in the struts. Then we did a statistical analysis of the defect population through optical microscope, obtaining these results. We can see that lattice A is the one with most defects in the horizontal struts. The last step was a study of the mechanical behavior of metamaterials. We performed a compression test for each lattice structure, obtaining these results. We can see that lattice C is the one with best mechanical properties and higher relative density, while lattice B is the one with the worst mechanical properties. So the conclusion that we can extract is that a porosity study has been performed to find the best laser parameters to print metamaterials in titanium 64. Also, 3 different types of lattice structure have been designed with 2 different unit cells and 2 different diameters. The lattice structure were printed successfully. Also, a defect analysis study was performed to analyze the defects on the additive manufacturing metamaterial structure, and a mechanical behavior study was performed in the metamaterial structures. So 2 repeats were tested, and it can be shown a correlation between the relative density and the mechanical properties of the metamaterial structure. So thank you for the funding of this project, and thank you for your attention.